formula to have money every month, it works. Just how to have money all month is something that everyone wants to know. To get the money to reach our bills and get us to be able to buy gifts. Because of all of us or for our liked ones. Small gratifications which will make us happy and happy. This is a simple spell how to have money all month, not to become an uniform a lesser amount of. Simply so that the money has ended being that daily problem that individuals worry so many times and consume the best of our powers. Spending the days occupied with all the mind in that problem without having to be able to enjoy many times the remaining of beautiful and wonderful things that life offers all of us. To begin this basic trick means have cash all month. The first of all thing is to set together the two elements that you will need. 1. A smooth glass beaker. 2. 2 tablespoons of coarse, whole or entire salt, as you like. Ritual to get money. 1. Around the first Monday of each month you will fill the goblet with tap water through adding 1 tablespoon of coarse salt, and hang on 1 hour. 2. After this time, you will carry on to wash the hands with this preparation whilst you say this sentence. Salt is protective and she'll help me make my money multiply and never be lacking during my home. 3. For this spell to work effectively, and you get all the bucks you need, it is essential that you do not dry out your hands with nearly anything. Just drain them and let the air dry them, naturally. 4. Then you certainly use the same glass, add the other tablespoon of salt and let it stay in a part of your house throughout the day and all night. To absorb healthy energy and then throw it through the toilet or bathroom of your house. 5. With this simple mean, remember to do it every first Friday of each new month, you will see that money commences to flow in another way. Which not only reaches you, but increases in the total amount you need. Money problems happen to be terminated. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips and healthy hacks, subscribe to the channel.